Handheld electric swatters and plug-in electric zappers offer quick, low-cost spot control for flying mosquitoes around the home and on patios. A properly used handheld electric swatter is simple to operate and effective when you aim for a clean contact between insect and grid, so practice a steady swing and make sure the device is fully charged before evening use. For fixed plug-in electric zappers, place them at least 6 feet away from human seating areas and preferably 2 to 3 meters above ground so they draw insects away from people, and position them downwind of the area you want protected. Regular maintenance matters. Power down and use a soft brush or compressed air to clear accumulated insect fragments from the grid and housing to preserve effectiveness and reduce smoke and odor when the unit operates. Battery management extends device life, so always follow the manufacturer recommended charging cycles and avoid leaving lithium batteries at full charge for long periods. Store spare units partially charged and in a cool, dry place. For safety, keep all handheld grids out of reach of children and pets, and never touch the grid while it is powered, and wear thin protective gloves if you need to clear a stuck insect. Remember, these devices are best used as part of an integrated approach, so combine them with source reduction like removing standing water and screening doors and windows for the best control. Common mistakes include relying solely on zappers for disease control, which can give a false sense of protection, so always pair electronic devices with habitat reduction and personal protection such as repellents. A second frequent issue is poor placement when zappers are set too close to seating, which concentrates insects where people are, so move units away from human traffic and toward dark or shaded attractant areas. Third, neglecting grid cleaning and battery care reduces effectiveness and shortens lifespan, so schedule a simple monthly cleaning and follow charging guidelines to keep devices ready and efficient. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like installing and using pest control devices, and we offer a discussion community where people share real-world tips and experiences. We help contractors find local work, and homeowners find local professionals and peer advice for making the right choices.